Good morning, children. Welcome back to St. Mary's English Medium School digital class. And this is the new lesson, letter writing. So, in this lesson, only one part we are handling right now, and that is formal letter. And before starting our lesson, let us know the answers of the previous class assignments. So, check your answers and come back soon. I told the beginning of this video that we are going to learn what is a formal letter. So do you know that what's a letter? Let me tell you, a letter is a conversation through typed or written words. When two persons want to communicate from a distance, a letter is pressed into service. It is an easy, cheap and quick means of communication. Communication by electronic media may be faster and easier, but it does not have the advantage of a letter. A letter can be used as a record or reference. Letters written by great writers, leaders, scientists and poets and are rich treasures. A letter has a personal touch. It has the imprint of the personality of the writer. There are two kinds of letters, and these are formal letters and informal letters. Formal letters are business letters, invitations and excuse letters written to person in authority. Formal letters must be short and to the point. In simple words, we can say that formal letters are written to schools, colleges, official bodies, etc. to make requests or complaints. A formal letter consists of 6 important parts, and they are sender's address, day and date, receiver's address, salutation, body of the letter, subscription and signature. Now let's know all these 6 points in detail. If the formal letter, we start with the sender's address, and this address of the sender must be on the top left side. And for this, and do not write the name of the sender on top of the address, and you can include the email ID and the telephone number. And the second one is day and date, and this day and date is followed by the sender's address. While writing all these points, don't leave the line in between these all 6 important parts. See, if you leave the line, you will get the negative marks. And hope everybody know what is day. So you need to write on which day that you need to write the letter, and then put a small comma, then write the date. And the format of writing the date, it is DDMMYY. The third important part is receiver's address, and this is the address of the person you are writing to. and the receiver's address followed by salutation, and salutation is like dear sir or dear madam. After salutation, and the next important part is body of the letter. See, this is the most important part of a letter, and this part must be contain 3 paragraphs, and the first one, that is the introduction, and the first paragraph of the letter, which consists 1 or 2 lines. So in this you need to mention only the purpose of writing this letter. Hope it is clear. The introduction part, the first paragraph of the letter, write in 1 or 2 lines, and in this paragraph you need to mention only the purpose of writing the letter. And the second paragraph is the most important paragraph of a letter, which you answer in detail the question given. And third paragraph is the conclusion. Third or fourth paragraph you can write it as a conclusion, and this thing that you need to write the solution or the expected result from you, and that you are waiting for the positive result. And the last one, it is after this body part you can write the conclusion, and that is third paragraph, and then you can write the subscription. The subscription also should write in the left corner of this letter, and that should be thanking you, and the next line you can write yours sincerely or your obediently. Then last one is sixth important part of a letter, that is signature, and here that you no need to sign there, but you need to write your name with your surname. So these are the 6 important parts of a letter, formal letter. And now let's read an example. Nest House, Golf Link Road, Calicut, Monday, 10th August 2020. The Principal, St. Mary's EM School, Chevarambalam. Dear Madam, I am writing this letter to know about the admission procedure of your school. My son has passed 4th standard from a well-known school in Kollam. As I am transferred to Calicut, I wish to bring my family along with me. I have heard from my relatives that your school is one of the best schools in the district. Moreover, you have an excellent faculty to guide the children. I have also searched the internet and found that your school has good services. I am greatly impressed and would like my son to continue his studies in your school. Kindly let me know the details regarding the admission of my son to 5th grade. Thanking you, yours faithfully, Vikram Raj. This is one of the example of formal letter. At the end of this video, I will provide one more example, and both these 2 examples that you need to copy into your note. And it is important to follow the format of writing letters, as marks are allotted for the same. It is also important to put the correct punctuation and maintain proper paragraphs. So, this is what all about the format of letter writing, and keep practicing. And you have to copy the format and the additional question I have provided in the assignment part. Until the next video, bye children, and keep safe, stay safe.